Matters need attention.
Presentation of the product. Product list display. Preparation before flight.
1.
Turn on the remote control. The monitor top mode is 0. Long press aircraft battery switch. A beep sound of the remote control. Success of code to code. At this point, the mode 0 on the remote control monitor becomes mode 1. Mode 1 is optical flow mode.
2.
The aircraft lay flat on the ground. Press the speed key for about 5 seconds. A beep sound of the remote control. Flashes of aircraft lights. Gyroscope correction complete. Release the button.
3.
Press the photo button for about 5 seconds. A beep sound of the remote control. Flashes of aircraft lights. Release the button. Pick up the aircraft and take it a meter up the ground. The horizontal plane rotates clockwise. When you hear a beep from the remote, erect the aircraft. With the camera down, turn a circle clockwise. When you hear a beep from the remote, geomagnetic correction is completed. With the aircraft light changed into a flashing every 1 second every time.
4.
In search of the GPS. Mode 1 is for optical flow mode. At this point, the aircraft will automatically enter star search mode. The number of satellites has reached about 10 to complete positioning. The remote will enter the GPS function with a beep. The aircraft lamp is always bright. Mode 1 turn into Mode 2. At this point, the aircraft is in GPS mode, with the GPS feature. Aircraft unlocking. The left and right joysticks of the remote control pull outwards or inside at the same time. Then the lock can be unlocked. After the motor starts, it can fly. Basic manipulation.
1 key takeoff. 1 key landing. Ascending. Descending. Left turning. Right turning. Forward. Backward. Left flying. Right flying. Headless mode.
Double speed switching. Steering gear camera adjustment.
Low power return. When the 4 lights at the bottom of the drone start to flicker, indicating that the drone is not enough power, the drone will return automatically. When the remote control signal and the drone are disconnected, the drone will automatically return.
Click on the 1-button return icon. Automatic return of aircraft to departure point.
Connect Wi-Fi.
Scan corresponding 2D mode. Download app. Enter the phone setup option. Turn on the wireless network. Search device. Connect. After successful connection, exit the setup option. Turn on the software on your phone. Do camera switching. Click the shot switch button. The front lens and the lower lens can be switched. Photo recording function. Photo key. Short press photo. Photo recording key. Short on start recording. Press again. End photo recording. Gesture photo. About 2 meters in front of the aircraft lens. One-handed parallel with the yeah gesture. When the aircraft successfully recognizes the gesture, the countdown starts taking pictures in 3 seconds. Gesture photo recording. About 2 meters in front of the aircraft lands. Close your 5 fingers with one hand. When the aircraft successfully recognizes the gesture, already started recording. When you recognize the gesture again, end photo recording. Click the master tracking icon. The aircraft will follow the target. Click the palm control icon. The aircraft will follow the palm up and down. Click the track flight icon. The aircraft will fly at the selected location. Click on the flying point icon. Zoom in on the map. Draw the flying point icon. Click the send icon. The aircraft will start at the initial point, the first point of the flight point, and then fly point by point. Click the orbit flying icon. Click the send icon. The head of the aircraft will be centered in the current position of the aircraft, to orbit clockwise or counterclockwise. Click the GPS follow icon. The aircraft will follow the mobile phone. Aircraft wind vane installation. Unscrew the screw. Take out the wind vane. Note the corresponding A-B vane when replacing. Put in the wind vane. Rotate the tightening screw. Battery replacement and charging. When the power of the TX is less than 2 cells, indicates that the remote control is in low power. Emission signal weakening. At this point, you need to replace the battery and reuse it. When the power of the RX is less than 2 cells, indicates low power of the aircraft. At this point, the light of the aircraft changed from long to shiny. At this point, the aircraft needs to be recalled to replace the battery. Press the battery buckle. Pull the battery backward. Connect one end of the USB charging wire to the battery charging plug. The other end is connected to the 5 volts 1 to 2 ampere adapter USB interface. Battery blue light flashes from left to right when charging. Battery LED is always on after full charge. The battery is charged for about 6 hours.